Puppy refers specifically to young dogs. Humans keep chickens primarily as a source of food or as pets.
Dogs are the most variable mammal on Earth. The mandarin duck is a beautifully colored bird.
Ducks eat food such as grasses, aquatic plants.
Giraffes are still found in numerous national parks.
Flamingos stand on one leg with the other tucked beneath the body.
Elephants can live up to 70 years in the wild. Another product of cattle is their dung. Cheetah is the fastest land animal.
Dolphin has streamlined bodies and for limbs. Sea lions consume large quantities of food at a time.
Iguanas are large lizards. Stingrays have tails that are armed for defense.
A pig's head is relatively long and pointed. Humans keep chickens primarily as a source of food or as pets. Carabao is another name for water buffalo. Ground squirrels eat nuts, leaves, roots, seeds, and other plants.
Rabbits stay just on their toes when moving.
Raccoons are mammals that are rarely seen during the day.
Cats have excellent vision and hearing.
The springbok or springbuck is a medium-sized antelope.
Wallabies are members of the kangaroo clan.
Peacocks, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds.
Foxes are omnivores.
Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates. Some monkeys can swing through branches as fast as a racehorse. The giant panda has a body shape typical of bears.
Dogs can react appropriately to human body language.
Zebra stripes come in different patterns unique to each individual. Owls hunt mostly small mammals, insects, and other birds. Bees are winged insects closely related to wasps and ants. Younger horses tending to sleep significantly more than adults.
Deer are also excellent jumpers and swimmers. Hermit crabs use the shells of sea snails. Spider has 8 legs.
The term Molly is a general term for a female cat of any age.
Zebras are social animals that live together in groups.
Bactrian camels have 2 humps like the letter B.
All snakes are strictly carnivorous.
Most dogs are covered with a thick coat of fur. Goose lives near the freshwater rivers, lakes, ponds.
Cat's ears that can turn like satellite dishes. Carabau's horns are sickle-shaped.
Kittens normally do not open their eyes for 7 to 10 days. The sheep is usually stockier than its relative, the goat.
Hedgehog spines are not poisonous.
Cats are commonly kept as house pets, but can also be farm cats.